Hi guys, this is Jay Smith with Condor Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how we actually have the software to develop apps for you, and these are real business apps. This is not just pulling and scraping the information off of your website and posting another website up there that's you're probably already mobilized. This app is designed for your business to create more business and to offer some valuable information at the touch of a push button app. So some of the things we've done, like I'm going to show you the app that I've created myself and what can be put on these apps. Now, first thing you may want is an appointment form. So we put the appointment form on for you. You can list your different services. I've listed 3, but I could add more as I go along each day, each month, each week, it doesn't matter. And we'll help you to do that. So what we do is basically just tell you and show you exactly how your different pages will work. Now we can also include specials and offers, just like this. Save on your own personal app. Save 60% while we're in beta right now. Now this is not going to be valid forever, so if you're watching this after it's over, I'm sorry about that. Here are some of the recommended that we think you should have. One is your opt-in forms, video gallery, Twitter feed, Facebook, your website. Obviously you want to have your website on there if somebody wants to go to your website. Find us location. So actually we can put your location on the map and they can find you. That's very important. As far as content goes, we can add your RSS feed. We could add static pages, which is just like I did for my services. That's a static page. And then I just keep on adding pages continually. We could put an image gallery in there. We could put your articles in there. We could also add notes for the end user where they can go in and make notes. So if they've got injured on the job and they need to talk to a compensation lawyer, they can make notes about what happened as they're in the app. Earning money is something that we put in there for, say, loyalty cards, ad mob. If you're a restaurant and you need book a table, we put your menus in there. They could order online from your app. Of course, we can put catalogs in, Amazon catalogs, iTunes, and coupons. Coupons is the deals. There's your deals, there's your coupons. And we have user interaction. Push button notification. What this does is anyone who has your app installed on their phone, you can actually log in, send them to a static page and or a page on your website, and it's just like text marketing, but it goes out only to the people that have your app. So it's awesome that they will automatically get a notification from you, and all you have to do is go in and type it and send it to everybody. Now when you send it to somebody, you could send it to just a 10-mile radius or to everybody in the world, and that's pretty key. So if you're local and you only want or you have multiple stores and you only want to hit people in a certain area, you can define the area that you want to send the people that have your app to. Of course, we have opt-in forms, appointment forms, contact forms, email list forms, click to call, and all the social features. Also, we have different looks and feels for your app. Now, I have mine in list view. Now, I can change it if I prefer to have icon view. That's 3 wide. This is 2 wide. We can have it on the right hand side where it's just a menu so that your image of your business is there. And then they can scroll down like this. Sorry. To get it. You can have it on the bottom. There's a lot of different customization on this that can be done, including color schemes. Let's show you something first. If you want a color scheme, and we set the different colors. So we make it look like your normal settings. We can include images, color pickers, the whole 9 yards. Guys, these apps are fantastic. And what happens is we could also view it, on a tablet. What's it look like on a tablet? There it is. Give people what they want to see. Give people information. If you're a chiropractor, think about what you can do to offer people information. What to do if you have a back pain from lifting at work. What to do if you're in an automobile accident. And then we list the things that they can do and what they should do by first calling you, second, putting ice on it, third, whatever it is that they're supposed to do, we get that information from you and we list it in your app. And we make it very informative, and that's one that they'll always want to go back to. Plus, they could click your app with the push button notification. If you make a new Facebook post or a new page or a new anything on your website, you can notify them so that they're clicking and opening your app more often. Guys, like I said, this is what we call a real app. It is not a basic website scraping type app. It's just going to pull your posts up. That's ridiculous. I quickly wanted to show you this push button notification, which is just like text marketing, but on a higher scale. First thing you're going to do is going to get a private page to log into with a password. And what we're going to do is now you're going to go ahead and make your notification. Let me turn this off. First thing we're going to do is just put a little thing out. For instance, new business hours today. And that's all you need to write. And then you come down here and you can select the content and where you want it to go. Do you want it to link to a tab in your app or link to a website URL? So what we will do is basically on your own website, you're going to have a page always set up for updates. And you're going to go in and update that page, and then you're going to come in here and you're going to put in the updates page. And so when people click on your app, it's going to take them to the updates page for the information that you want them to know. Because we can only put in so many characters here, but you want them to have a lot of information, and you can do this as many times as you want. So business hours today changing, closing early, and then you could have a full page for them to go to. You can also say new information about, and you decide. And then you push the button, and we're going to just proceed on to next. Now, whether you want it to go to iPhones or to just Androids. Our apps, we start off with Android first, and about a month later, we're going to go ahead and offer you the ability to go into the Apple Store as well. But for the fact is that they're a lot harder to get into, so we want to develop the Android first, get you out there, get you published, get you some people already uploading it so that the Apple Store thinks that you're worthy. Now, we can choose an area, like I said. What if you have 4 stores and you only want to get it to, and you're going to geocode that. Now, I've got the store Bayshore Drive, Biloxi. Okay, so now we're at my house. But I don't want it here. I want it at my Moss Point. So I only want people within a 10-mile kilometer radius, basically. Can you tell we have English developers? So anyway, I only want these people in this 10-mile radius to get this text. Otherwise, I would just choose all users whether in Europe or in Australia or in the United States. Anyone who has my app is going to get this message. And then I could push publish. As soon as I push publish, I want you to listen to this. This is my own phone sitting here. I'm going to push publish. 5, 4, 3, and there it is. And what this does, I wish I could show you right now. It has my icon up in the top there so I could see who sent me this. And instead of being a text message, I actually click on it and it'll read the little message to me, but as soon as I click on it, it goes right to my page that I have set up for the notifications. Very sweet. And that's it, guys. That's how push button notification goes. I just notified everybody on my list by doing this video. All right, well, thanks. This got a little wordy, but this is Jay Smith, Condor Marketing, 704-706-1790. While we're in beta testing, we are offering these at 60% off. So call me if you want one. I will talk to you later.